Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explain what the Supplier Survey tool is, and how to build a perfect one step-by-step. Definition first. A supplier survey is a structured tool used to collect and evaluate information from suppliers. It helps organizations understand who their suppliers are, what capabilities they have, and whether they are the right partners for future business. Element 1. Assessment details. Step 1. Start with assessment details. Define the purpose of your survey, for example, qualifying a second source supplier or assessing readiness for a new project. If needed, you can also determine assessment type, for example, new supplier. Element 2. Basic data. Next, add the supplier's basic data, company name, address, and legal identification. Element 3. Supplier contact details. Then, capture the key contact person. Include their name, phone number, and email address. Element 4. Supplier's service, industry details. Document what the supplier does, their industry, and the products or services they provide. Include annual sales or turnover, where appropriate. Element 5. Affected facility details. Facility details give more context: plant address, number of employees, and years in operation. This helps assess capacity and experience. Element 6. Quality Management System, QMS, details. Check quality system certifications. Does the supplier follow ISO 9001, IATF 16949, or other standards? This shows process maturity. Element 7. Open questions. It is the most important part of the survey. It provides insight into the supplier's approach, or highlight additional information you wish to obtain from the vendor for this specific survey. You may ask questions like, which problem-solving tools do you use? What supplier quality metrics do you use? What is your quality goal? Open questions give real insights. Element 8. Multiple choice questions or yes/no questions. They make results easy to evaluate and compare across suppliers. Example of multiple choice questions might be, do you have an improvement program in place? Do you use CAPA for problem solving? Etc. Element 9. Finalization of survey. Add the name of the person completing it, the date, and signature. This makes it complete and traceable. By using a supplier survey, you standardize information collection, compare suppliers objectively, gain deeper knowledge of capabilities and risks, and make smarter supply chain decisions. And that's how you create the perfect supplier survey step by step. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more supply chain insights.